So let's proceed. We are talking on how to make money from WhatsApp, and we said the system how to make money from WhatsApp. One of those ways is make money from your work product. So live on this video, we are going to treat the second way to make money from WhatsApp, which is make money from WhatsApp with other people's products or services through what they call affiliate link. Whether you have your work product or services or not, you can still make money from WhatsApp, provided you have the list. And if you go through this post, you will discover we have treated how to do what, build or generate thousands of WhatsApp lists is here. Okay, so you will see how to generate thousands to million WhatsApp lists. That is WhatsApp leads. Okay, so having done that, the number 2 here is make money from other people's products and services. Take a look, there are so many sites you can make money from. In Nigeria here, Jumia.com is one of them. Amazon Affiliate, which is not Nigeria, is also one of them. Commission Junction is also one of them. JV's Zoo is also one of them. So what you need to do is for you to look for any site, okay, that has an affiliate features. Then you apply for their affiliate link. They will give you your own special link, and you can start promoting their product and services for them. Okay, the more products you, depending on how the system works, some work on per click, okay, while some is maybe something 50-50. They will give 50% from the numbers of products or each product you sell. Okay, so that is it on how to make money from other people's products, and there are thousands to million products that you can promote, other people's products you can promote and start making money. Okay, so to learn the core internet marketing, you can go to Naira. Then we have a master class on internet marketing. Over there we explain in full detail, step by step, on how to make money from other people's products, how to make money from what, affiliates. Thank you. As we proceed on the third way to make money from WhatsApp, being make money on WhatsApp as network marketing.